I tried Ticketmastercom reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume Ticketmaster is just another ticket selling app, but there's more to it than meets the eye. I spent a week testing it to see if it's reliable, user-friendly, and worth using. On day 1, I downloaded the app and browsed events. The interface shows concerts, sports, and theatre listings with dynamic pricing. Most people ignore seat maps, but analysing them carefully can make a huge difference in your experience. By day 3, I tried purchasing tickets. You won't believe what happens next. The app's real-time updates alerted me to price changes and available promotions. The surprising truth is that Ticketmaster isn't just a marketplace, it helps users make informed buying decisions. By day 5, I tested the customer service and refund processes. Most people get this wrong by assuming refunds are complicated, but the app guides you through cancellations, exchanges, and digital ticket management efficiently. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Ticketmaster.com Reviews app is more than a simple ticket portal, it's a complete event management companion. Most people underestimate the convenience of integrated alerts, seat selection, and payment features. If you want a smoother, smarter ticket buying experience, this app is worth exploring. The shocking truth: with careful use, Ticketmaster can save time, money, and stress when attending events.